wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all know about once a month I tell you guys about the latest launches coming out. Well, we are about 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving, which means we are also about 2 weeks away from Black Friday. So I'm going to tell you guys about some new launches that are coming out, some new holiday things that are coming out, but I'm also going to tell you about some brands that are having some holiday deals for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, let's talk about some of the brands having deals. Some of the brands, they haven't actually announced what the deals are, but every year they tend to have the same thing. Right now, also a good time for working makeup artists, brands that are more known to cater to working makeup artists who are going to stock their kids, stuff like that. This would be a good time. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Makeup Forever, once you log on the homepage, it lands on a Cyber Week event sign up. It doesn't say what that Cyber Week, what the deals are going to be, but Makeup Forever would be a brand if you are a working makeup artist to consider for those 2 days or that week. Listen, Black Friday has definitely changed from what it was when I was a kid. I'm talking like we would eat on Thanksgiving and then baby take a nap afterwards because midnight, we got to go get in that Best Buy line. Why did we need a new TV every year? I don't know, but that's just what it was. And I feel like it was the excitement of being there. I only worked one Black Friday in my life and that was enough. I'm talking when I was working working retail at that time, and when Black Friday is what Black Friday was, I'm talking that time where like people were stampeding in to get the things that really the brands didn't care about. They just wanted to get it out of the stock room. So it's very different nowadays. Now, sometimes they start the deals like November 1st. But Nars, another brand to consider if you log on, 20% offset. Cyber event is almost here, so they will have, deals Black Friday, Cyber Monday, but I believe right now they are having 20% offset, so you can get a foundation and concealer. Baby, get the set. Get the set. I done told y'all, Nars makes the best complexion products, the best foundations. So you can get the Radiant Cream and Concealer and the Natural Radiant Foundation, the Soft Matte Foundation, and the Pot Concealer. Let's see, that's $74. The Radiant Concealer and the foundation, the Natural Radiant, is $84. And I mean, it's Nars, so it's not the cheapest thing. However, it's still a deal. Beauty is also known to have some good Black Friday deals right now. I'm looking at sets. I see one that is $24 for a $32 value. They look like pretty decent sizes, at least in this picture. And the other is $30 for a $44 value. So that is a brand to consider. Glossier is also usually known for having a pretty good Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. I do see here that they have some holiday merch out. You don't really see that too much, like makeup brands putting out merch, but they are there. That tumbler does look cute. Okay. Refi, another brand. I think it said that last year they had like a 25% off. And we did just come off of the Sephora sale, and a lot of people were saying I'm not going to shop that because sometimes the brands directly have better deals on their own website. So y'all know Sephora, the most you can get is 20% off if you are a Rouge member. So a lot of the brands having 25% off. Something to think about. But on the Refi site, I see they have a lot of kits right now. There's a discovery kit, a lip kit, looks like a mascara kit, looks like little ornaments as well. Y'all know I love their brow pencil. Also, this is a brand that I never really paid attention too much to it, but like their stuff is pretty affordable compared to some of their, competitors. So definitely a brand to check out. Charlotte Tilbury is having it's having 2 for 1. They are also known for having a pretty good Black Friday deal, but they do have this deal going on right now. So you can get a duo of the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which would normally retail for $98, but you can get it right now for $49. They have the Beauty Light Wand Duo. So originally that would be $84, but for right now, so basically you're getting 2 for the price of 1. So definitely the airbrush bronzer, something to check out. The blush wand, something to check out. Fenty Beauty. First of all, Fenty's holiday kits, definitely, especially nowadays, because even the holiday launches, it's not the same as it was before. However, Fenty Beauty is one of those brands when it comes to holiday launches. Definitely check their stuff out because you can get your bang for your buck. They be putting full-size lip balms, gloss bombs in there, full sizes of the products in general, even the mini sizes of the stuff that they come out with. They actually put out like new limited, I hate the fact that it's limited edition, but sometimes brands will just like repackage the same eyeshadow palette in holiday packaging, up the price and sell it to you. But Fenty, like, they will at least put out new products for you to pick up. It just kind of stinks that it's limited edition, but they also bring back a lot of limited edition. And I believe it said that last year their Black Friday deal was 25% off. Huda Beauty right now, if you log on, says to sign up for their email so that you're notified when their Cyber Week deals start. They are having up to 80% off. Huda Beauty, that is a brand to definitely keep your eye on when it comes to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, especially if you like Kayali. Y'all know that all falls under the Huda umbrella on the site. So the sales that they be having on the perfume, definitely want to check. All right, y'all, so that was real quick, just some brands to consider when it comes to holiday deals, and also keep a lookout for other brands that you're interested in. I did check Danessa Meyer's. I didn't see anything so far about any deals going on, but like as it gets closer to Black Friday, definitely check that out. Let's see some new launches for the holiday. Bobbi Brown has collaborated with Pacman. Definitely wouldn't have seen that coming. Bobbi Brown wasn't really a like collaborate type brand, at least like this type. But I see here there's an eyeshadow palette, looks like a highlighter, some lip products. It's so, and that's why I'm like, it doesn't really strike me as a collab I would have seen coming, because I think Bobbi Brown, I think, you know, prestigious brand, you know, professional makeup artist, stuff like that. I also think like what the products actually look like, physically look like, the packaging is usually very, you know, sleek and just very clean girl aesthetic. And then I think Pacman. So when I think Pacman, I'm thinking, you know, blue, purple, green, colorful, playful almost. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, I don't know if I think those two align with each other, because again, packaging, I guess, is a little step up from what I consider with Bobbi Brown, but then you open it and look at it. Okay, I'm gonna scroll on. A new collaboration between Nars Cosmetics and Bailey Sarian? Correct me on how to pronounce that. The Fatally Yours 2 collection retails for $225, comes with an eyeshadow palette, 4 lipsticks, satin lip gloss, duochrome eyeshadow gel, scarlet gel liner, powder blush, BB lash, a clutch, which is very cute, and a mirror. Nars Cosmetics does have very good eyeshadow, but if you don't really know who this creator is, or there's not something in here specifically that is calling to you, I would just keep scrolling. What is this? What is this? Rumor has it one of our favorite scents is coming back. Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro, coconut cream and toasted praline. Scent type warm and sweet gourmand. Keynotes coconut cream, tropical orchid, toasted praline. There's no price on here. I don't remember if I've smelled this before, but I already told y'all how I feel about these. They just don't do it for me. I would smell it again. I don't know. I be giving things like 2nd, 3rd, 17th chances. So I would smell it again, but I probably won't like it. Available now, new eyeshadow palette from Viseart. Is it Viseart? Viseart? I remember this brand vaguely, but like I never really picked anything up from it. But I do know that they used to launch like holiday palettes that everyone would just run out and go get. And now I just feel like it's kind of like, okay, we got a new one coming out. Inspired by the legends of the Night Sea and Poseidon's Starlight Kingdom, blah, 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 blah. It retails for $44. I'm gonna keep scrolling. Because look at it. Okay, well, at least there are a whole lot of brands I'm seeing here that I've never heard of before. That Could be a good thing. New brands to check out. New Lip Ivy Hydrating Gloss Serum from NYX Cosmetics. Hydrating gloss stain, instant vitamin glossy color with a unique lip staining effect, infused with magnesium, vitamin B12, and lip quenching coconut water. Retails for $10.67. I'm intrigued. First of all, you know, NYX is just one of those brands where I just want to try whatever new products they come out with. I like lip stainers. Y'all know I'm more of a glossy lip nowadays, so I already know my lip is most likely going to transfer at some point during the day, just from talking, eating, all that stuff. So it's something that's just going to stain my lips from the get-go, and I don't really have to, you know, pay too much attention to it. Put it in the bag. Put one in the bag. Yeah, I'd get that. The new Airlight Pro hair dryer augmented with infrared light technology from L'Oreal. A professional hair dryer augmented with infrared light technology. Okay, baby, just tell me the price, because I already know I'm about to say $475. Listen, I got a little Revlon, the Revlon brush dryer in my, it's never steered me wrong so far. And y'all know I don't even do my own hair. I go to the hair salon to get it done, and her dryer hasn't steered me wrong either. So, but you know, if you're a professional and you would like this, maybe it's something to check out. I'm looking at the textured hair here. Maybe that's something that you guys want to check out. Yeah. Ooh, what is this? Okay, available now in Europe. Cartier perfume oil and cream. These two textures are enriched with a rare oil that has a unique heritage. Known for its moisturizing properties. Okay, one is 250. Oh, the oil is $250, and then the cream is $184. I mean, it's Cartier, so the price should not throw you off. I would at least want to smell it. See, here's the thing about a lot of like some of that luxury perfumes, oils, stuff like that. Became very mima, very mature, let's say that. And I feel like sometimes a lot of people want it just because it's Cartier, but y'all really be liking the smell of it? Like, y'all really, you know what I mean? Yeah. Available now, new color, Iced XOXO Lip Jelly from Tower 28. That is cute. That is a cute pink. I don't like how it looks like it's kind of dripping down off their lips a little bit. But Tower 28, that gloss is very good. So if you want to check that out. Okay, holiday collection from Wet n Wild. I'm so sorry. Every time I see Wet n Wild, it just gets very much so like stuff you pass by in the drugstore. And I mean like pass by and it doesn't make you stop walking. I see a lash curler. I see an eyeshadow palette. And I feel like back in the day, like Wet n Wild actually used to have some launches where I'm like, wait a minute. Let me go ahead, check this out. But I feel, honestly, I feel like it was never the same for them after that whole James Charles palette dupe and like how they responded to it, which I didn't care. Love that for y'all. But you know how people are. So I feel like it was just never the same for them after that. I told y'all Hello Kitty is tired. Hello Kitty is tired. Her phone be ringing every time she like, who is it now? All right, I'll be there in 20 minutes. They have collaborated with Wet n Wild on a collection, and it comes with everything that you would think would be in a Wet n Wild collection. A lash curler, I see eyeshadow palettes, blushes, lip products, liner. At this point, you're buying it because it's cute and it's Hello Kitty. Okay, holiday collection. NYX Cosmetics has collaborated with Home Alone. You know what? Cute. The packaging is very cute. Actually, it's very cute. Let's see. There's a 12-piece mini lip drum holiday gift. There's a 12-piece surprise makeup tree piñata holiday gift. There's an ultimate battle plan 16 pan shadow palette. 6-piece butter gloss pizza vault holiday gift. See, now I feel like if this is how you're gonna do a collaboration, this is how you're supposed to do a collaboration. Very cute. The two together, like the two brands together, makes sense. The packaging is catching your eye, and of course it's working on the, if you have watched Home Alone, if you like Home Alone, it's a lot of people's favorite like Christmas movie, stuff like that. It's gonna draw you to it. I'm trying to see what the actual colors of the stuff looks like on the inside. That lip vault might actually be something for you to get, even if you don't care for Home Alone, stuff like that, just because those glosses are really good. So that'd be something to check out. And I think you get 12 for, you get six for $30. Okay, available now, holiday 2024 candle from Vacation, the pinnacle of pine scented candles. Hear me out. I'm actually intrigued. I actually am intrigued in this one. I like the smell of pine as a candle in the living room, in the bathroom, even the bedroom. It depends. And it's just giving very like winter, very holiday season. So I kind of want to smell this. How much do you cost? $36? $36. I'd smell it. I'd smell it. I'm really looking, but like nothing is giving. Okay, Stanley has collaborated with Elf Cosmetics. Lip accessory organizers are $6, and then the Stanley Steel 30 ounce is $35, 40 ounce, well the one in collaboration with Elf. 30 ounce is $35, 40 ounce is $45. It's very cute. I could have sworn they said something about Stanleys, like, and then everyone was like, I'm not gonna use my Stanley anymore, and then they just kind of came back. So I'm not sure about that. But yeah, I don't think it'll ever be that deep for me that I need a little attachment to put my gloss into. But if you do, you know, gym girlies, work girlies, taking it to work with them, that might be something that you want to consider. And you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right there, because those launches are just not doing it for me. I've done a couple holiday launch videos that had much better options, so maybe everyone already put their stuff out because, you know, you put it out ahead of time so people can buy it and have it in time for the holidays. Maybe that's what it is, because But if I did not talk about something that you would like to see a video on, or you just think I would like it so I should know about it, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.